The origin of the 401k, warts and all. The 401k plan, now a cornerstone of American retirement savings, has a rather interesting origin story. It wasn't initially designed as a mass tool for retirement savings, but rather a tax loophole for executives, and its transformation into what we know as it is today was somewhat accidental. The history of the 401k begins in the late 70s. In 1978, Congress passed the Revenue Act, which included a provision known as Section 401k. This provision was inserted into the legislation to limit executives from taking advantage of cash-deferred plans, which allowed them to dodge taxes on a portion of their income if they agreed to receive it at a later date. The man often credited with the creation of the 401k as we know it is Ted Bernard, a benefits consultant who realized that this provision could be used to create a simple tax advantage way for employees to save for retirement. He noted in the language in the Section 401k didn't just apply to bonuses, but could also include salary. Bernard proposed this idea to his employer, the Johnson Companies, and in 1981, they implemented the first ever 401k plan. The idea was simple. Employees could choose to have a portion of their salary deducted from their paycheck before taxes, which would be invested in the stock market and taxed only when the money was withdrawn at retirement. The concept caught the attention of the IRS and the Treasury Department, and after some deliberation, they decided to permit the 401k plans. Following the IRS issues of guidance on November 1981, other companies started to adopt the plan as well. However, 401k plans didn't immediately replace the traditional pension system. Initially, they were seen as a supplement to pensions, but as the cost of funding pension plans started to increase, companies began phasing out their traditional pension plans in favor of these 401k plans, shifting the burden of saving for retirement from the employer to the employee. Over time, the 401k has evolved with various laws passed to try to improve its structure, increase participation, and protect investors. However, the system still retains much of its original form, with its benefits and its flaws deeply rooted in its unique history. So while the 401k is an essential part of American retirement today, it's important to remember that it started as a bit of an accident. An oopsies, a byproduct of a tax loophole that evolved into a fundamental pillar of retirement system today. The harsh truth about your 401k. The 401k, when first introduced in the 1970s as the supposed golden ticket to secure retirement, has proved to be a double-edged sword for many Americans. Hailed as a revolutionary tool for financial independence, it has also revealed a darker side, one that leaves many workers in a precarious position as they approach retirement.